Hello, my name is Nolan. I'm a Fixed Asset Intern here at Lyten. I'm a rising senior in the Entrepreneurship and Innovation program at Menlo. I would say I've learned how the corporate world works and the kind of the structure of leadership and how important collaboration is between all the teams here at Lyten. I had to coordinate cleaning up a warehouse, and getting all those people to collaborate and kind of get their input on where things needed to go was really important, and that helped me grow professionally. Yeah, so spending time in college, I had a lot of school projects, especially at Menlo. Everyone has lots of projects at Menlo. And working here, there was a lot of collaboration. Same thing at school, there was a lot of people involved. Here, even more people. So helping, getting communication between all of them and collaborating into accomplishing one set goal was really important, and I kind of translated that from Menlo. Just work as hard as possible and make a good first impression with their company so that hopefully they can turn that into a full-time position and gain as many skills professionally in the workplace as they can.